Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD07. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD07 won't turn on, you're not alone. This common issue can arise due to a faulty power cable or a malfunctioning switch. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage and inconvenience, making your cleaning tasks much more difficult. To get started with this repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver, a multimeter, a replacement power cable, and some safety gloves. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged. Begin by carefully prizing open the casing of the Dyson HD07. You can do this by using the screwdriver to gently lift the clips along the edges. Take your time to avoid breaking any of the clips. Once the casing is off, you'll need to locate the power cable connection. This is often near the base of the device. Use your multimeter to test the cable for continuity. If you find that the cable is indeed faulty, it's time to replace it. To do this, gently disconnect the old cable from its connectors. Make a note of how it is attached, as you'll need to replicate this with the new cable. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components while doing this. When replacing the cable, ensure that you securely attach it to the correct connectors, following the configuration of the old one. Tighten any screws you removed during disassembly, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. Once everything is connected, and the casing is back in place, give your Dyson a test to see if it turns on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check the integrity of your power cable and avoid using the device with any visible damage. Also, ensure that your Dyson is stored in a safe place where it won't be subjected to excessive bending or pulling of the cable. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.